This is a 97 YZ125. And it needs lots of loving. Let's get to it. Alright, so I've already given it a simple green bath on the motor, and it looks 10 times shinier when you guys saw it than when I seen it. This came from my daddy, and he bought it and didn't want to put the money into it, and pretty much gave it to me, so we're gonna put money into it. Get rid of this mouse, bird nest, ew, stink bug, crap. Get out of there. I hate these things, man. They're... Ugh. So I was checking the side clearance right here. It seemed like it might have been okay, but there's still a lot of wiggle. I thought when I first did this it went up and down, which if it goes up and down, no bueno. Which it doesn't. But it gets stuck right here. So definitely taking this apart. I thought maybe I could get away with cleaning it. Oh, look at this. But that's not happening. Yeah. That's straight metal right there. And if you saw the jug, if I got a good enough shot on that, you know why that is. So this motor is definitely coming out. Honestly, I don't even think putting paper towel even matters anymore. You know what? Well, we need to be able to wheel this back in. Oh man, I didn't think about that. Here's the chain. Take that off. Look at that, I just took that off with my hand. I could have done that instead of taking the dang wheel off. That's annoying. So in this model, you don't have to take the brake out of the way, it doesn't look like. And I still have the carburetor on. Set this back here. No, I'm not. Who's your mama? Get out of here. Now my tool's stuck in there. Dude. I know I'm doing this wrong. I know. It's no fun. You're gonna live again. I don't care if you want to or not. Oh, I forgot about the ignition. This is a good little trick right there. I'll do that later. Let me zoom in on that thing. It's got a zip tie on around it right there. That's a good idea, especially if you're reusing, like if you're taking that out and you're reusing it, which we're going to. That is a fantastic idea. This zip tie. This zip tie. There we go. Got it. That was way easier than my bike, but my bike has probably not been taken out since 2006 or something. If you can't get this undone, soap and water toothbrush, scrub around it. That's what I had to do with my other bike. Now, we can take this bad boy out. So satisfying. So much lighter than you'd think too. So pretty heavy, but. Now on to the next project. Tearing this bad boy apart. It looks like it has a new case, or I did a really good job of cleaning it up. I'm not sure. Then we gotta get that bolt back in so I can wheel this thing back in the garage. Alright, see you on the next.